want to share some exciting news. We got 500 miles on the S2. What is up, everybody? Looks like an exciting day here. Beautiful day in Seattle. We're about to hit the 500 miles mark. So yeah, exciting day, 500 miles in the Super73 S2, and I just wanted to chime in here and give you guys a few things that I like about the bike and maybe a few things I don't like so much about the bike. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come in here and give you guys I would say 2 to 3 things that I really like about the bike. You know, coming from the S1, one of the major upgrades is having that front suspension, which is done pretty good. That has been one of the major upgrades. Second, I would say how fast it can go with the new battery and the new motor. I hear you're doing up to 750 watts to 2000 watts on the new motor. One of the things I don't like about it for sure is like the front fender. It's just not functional. If you're riding in the rain, they just don't work. Be ready to get messy and a bunch of water splash in your face. If you look up closely on the front fender, there's these little gaps here. They're just not covering, so water just kind of splashes up. Last point that I wanted to bring up is about the tires. Coming up from the S1, like I said, they did quite the upgrade on the tires. So now we got some custom tires from Super73, and so far I haven't had any troubles with the flats or anything like that. Even though we have made it to 500 miles, you can still see it has a little bit of grip. So far the brake pads too, they've been doing pretty good at 500 miles. I haven't had to touch them. I will check in maybe when we hit on the 750 mark. We're gonna check on those brake pads. All right, guys, thank you so much. If you made it to the end, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.